How is Tesla on top of its game all the time? Ever wondered how Tesla maintains its position as the world's most valuable car manufacturer despite challenges like production costs, factory delays, and logistical problems? While these obstacles might seem daunting, Tesla continues to outperform analysts' expectations in profitability and demand. What's the secret behind Tesla's ability to thrive? In this video, we'll look at Tesla's hidden strategies to maintain its dominance in the EV world. There's a lot of interest in Tesla's electric cars for a few reasons. First, Tesla's cars are seen as innovative and modern because they run on electricity instead of gasoline. This is better for the environment and helps reduce pollution. Second, Tesla's cars are known for being fast and having advanced technology, which makes them exciting to drive and own. Lastly, Elon Musk is known for his bold ideas and vision, which can make people curious about what the company will do next. All these factors together make Tesla's electric cars really popular and interesting to many people. Tesla, the electric vehicle industry leader, is engaged in something that isn't often highlighted in discussions about its success. This behind-the-scenes effort could hold the key to ramping up production and consequently boosting the sales of their cutting-edge vehicles. Interestingly, this particular strategy isn't usually factored into Tesla's overall value assessment, but plays a pivotal role in the company's operations. And it's not just about maintaining its position. It could even propel Tesla to become the most valuable company globally. This begs the question, what is this strategy and how does it position Tesla on the path to this remarkable milestone? Let's begin by addressing concerns about Tesla's factory shutdowns and potential demand issues. Are these worries warranted? Surprisingly, the demand concerns aren't directed at Tesla's EVs, but the broader electric vehicle market. Recent data reveals a decline in the average transaction prices for new EVs in the US and excessive inventories exceeding 100 days supplies, signaling possible market oversaturation. However, it's noteworthy that these concerns seem more applicable to other automakers' EVs rather than Tesla's offerings. Let's take a closer look at the basics of electric vehicles during times when the economy is uncertain. Even Elon Musk has admitted that he's not sure about the current economic situation. But despite this uncertainty, the important factors related to consumers and their preferences for EVs are still strong and stable. This theme has resonated strongly throughout 2023, and when we specifically scrutinize Tesla's demand, it's nothing short of extraordinary. Take the Cybertruck, for instance, with reported reservations exceeding a staggering 1.7 million units. This number significantly dwarfs reservation counts for any other highly sought-after EV model by around 8 to 9. Even though we might be unsure about how the economy will go, one thing is clear. Lots of people really want Tesla's products. And the interesting things they're doing secretly are helping them become leaders not only in electric cars, but maybe in the whole business world. Tesla's customers are incredibly passionate about their products. Behind the scenes, Tesla is making significant strides in AI and full self-driving development. With each software update, they build upon the improvements of the previous one, enhancing long-term value. This dedication to always coming up with new ideas and improvements makes us optimistic about where Tesla is heading. Elon Musk believes the company is destined to surpass global giants like Apple and Saudi Aramco. He envisions a future where Tesla's worth eclipses the combined value of these industry titans. While Tesla's current market cap is just under $800 billion, Apple commands a valuation of $2.8 trillion, and Saudi Aramco's worth is an impressive $8.37 trillion. Musk's words are like a big dream, showing how much potential Tesla has. But to reach the levels of those big companies, Tesla has to grow a lot more. Lately, Tesla's stock has been declining, prompting analysis to emphasize the importance of bolstering its stock price. But there's an essential perspective here that's often overlooked. This perspective holds the key to why Tesla is poised to become the world's most valuable company. Consider Saudi Aramco, the Saudi Arabian oil company, which reported a remarkable 46.5% increase in net income this year, reaching a staggering $161.1 billion in 2022, up from $110 billion in the previous year. However, in the race for value supremacy, there are aspects at play that can often slip our notice, and these elements are what will propel Tesla to unparalleled highs. The surge in net income was attributed to robust crude oil prices, increased sales volume, and improved margins for refined products. Saudi Aramco's financial position remains solid, maintaining a high investment-grade rating throughout market cycles. Similarly, Apple reported impressive figures in August, with quarterly revenue amounting to $81.8 billion and quarterly earnings per diluted share reaching $1.26, a 5% year-over-year increase. These are undeniably remarkable earnings. Yet, Elon Musk envisions that Tesla's ongoing and upcoming projects hold the potential for even greater milestones in the future. Let's uncover how this could become a reality. Tesla's pursuit of excellence is evident in its continuous expansion of EV production across global gigafactories. Its new factories in Texas and Berlin have achieved significant production milestones. A noteworthy development is Tesla's application to double the production capacity of its German plant, with ambitions to manufacture 1 million EVs annually. Furthermore, Tesla is setting its sights on enhanced battery cell manufacturing capabilities at the same facility. This entails increasing the current battery storage capacity of 50 gigawatt-hours per year to an impressive 100 gigawatts. Central to this endeavor is the focus on producing the advanced 4680 cells, marking a strategic shift in Tesla's manufacturing emphasis. Tesla is determined to keep making things better, pushing the limits of how they make cars and coming up with new ideas. This shows that they want to change how transportation works in a good way for the environment. As we learn more about how Tesla plans to do this, it's obvious they don't just want to be a leader in electric cars, they want to completely change the game. While Elon Musk has openly acknowledged the challenges in producing the 4680 cells, he's recently hinted at notable progress. The ramp-up of 4680 cell production is accelerating exponentially, with Tesla's production volume tripling quarter after quarter. This dynamic growth trajectory underscores Tesla's commitment to cost optimization and delivering substantial value to its investors. Tesla's Nevada factory is poised to become the future production hub of the Tesla 18-wheeler semi-truck. This transformation, enabled by a substantial $3.6 billion investment announced in 2023, reflects Tesla's strategic vision. Currently, the Gigafactory focuses on producing batteries and electric motors. Meanwhile, the Berlin Gigafactory, operational since 2022, is a battery cell manufacturing powerhouse with a capacity for over 35,000 Model Y cars annually. Across the seas in Shanghai, China, Tesla is turning out Model 3 and Model Y vehicles, boasting the ability to ship over 750,000 cars annually. Notably, Tesla's Gigafactory near Austin, Texas, produces Model Y cars and houses the company's global headquarters. This location is set to become the manufacturing hub for the highly anticipated Cybertruck. The rapid expansion of Tesla's Gigafactories is yielding remarkable results. The rollout of Tesla's full self-driving beta software is also gaining substantial traction. Electric car enthusiasts are increasingly recognizing the advantages of this software, which significantly enhances the EV experience. As Tesla continues to elevate its car production and delivery rates, all while prioritizing value for its customers, the road ahead seems full of promise. The coming together of innovative manufacturing, advanced software, and a commitment to never giving up positions Tesla as a trailblazer in the automotive world. The potential for Tesla to achieve the predicted high revenue level, as Musk outlined, could indeed lead to a remarkable market cap for the company. With such a substantial market cap, Tesla's stock price might skyrocket to a value of up to $1,000. However, it's crucial to acknowledge that reaching the status of the world's largest company won't come easy. Elon Musk acknowledges the immense challenges ahead, requiring innovative products, extensive expansion, and perhaps even a touch of luck. Nevertheless, this factor could propel Tesla towards that significant milestone. The current economic climate doesn't seem to hinder Tesla's ambitions. Despite global economic turndowns and challenges, Tesla remains committed to aggressive growth. The company has boldly set a goal of achieving 50% growth this year compared to its 2021 delivery figures, showcasing its determination to succeed. Renowned YouTuber David Lee highlights that Tesla's prowess as a technology-driven enterprise allows it to generate more value for its customers, potentially boosting its gross margins. Despite economic challenges, Tesla is growing quickly, which is surprising. People who invest in Tesla are paying close attention to how much people want to buy their cars, especially considering prices and interest rates increasing. Even though Elon Musk saying Tesla could be worth trillions of dollars doesn't automatically fix negative feelings, it does give some hope to investors who still believe Tesla has a lot of potential and will do well in the future. We're interested in what you think. What do you think Tesla is worth? And where is it headed? Let us know in the comments section, and do subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching, until next time, goodbye.